Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Jyesthadeva and how mathematical astronomy increasingly focused on explaining the reasoning behind calculations. So let's get started. By the 16th century, the Kerala school had developed highly sophisticated mathematical methods connected to astronomy. But some scholars wanted to go further. Rather than simply presenting formulas and results, they sought to explain why these methods worked. One of the most important figures in this development was Jyesthadeva. His work represents an important shift toward explaining mathematical reasoning step by step. Jyesthadeva is best known for writing the Yukti, one of the earliest mathematical works to provide detailed explanations of methods rather than only final answers. The title itself can be understood as explanation through reasoning. This was a remarkable approach. Instead of expecting students to memorize procedures, Jyesthadeva carefully described the logic behind mathematical calculations. His work helped make advanced mathematical astronomy more understandable and systematic. The Yukti includes sophisticated mathematical ideas involving infinite series, changing quantities, and methods resembling early calculus. These methods were closely connected to astronomical calculation. Astronomers needing increasingly advanced mathematics to model celestial motion with greater precision. Jyesthadeva work reflects how it continued to push mathematics toward new levels of sophistication. One of the most important features of Jyeshthadeva's work is emphasis on reasoning. He showed that mathematics was not only about obtaining correct answers. It was also about understanding the logical structure behind the methods themselves. This reflects an important development in scientific thought. Knowledge becomes more powerful when its reasoning can be clearly explained and justified. Jyeshthadeva's work represents one of the high points of the Kerala school tradition. It demonstrates how astronomy and mathematics develop together, each driving advances in the other. His work helped transform astronomy into a discipline supported not only by calculation and observation, but also by carefully explained mathematical reasoning. So that concludes our discussion on Jyesthadeva and mathematical reasoning in astronomy. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.